Got two girls fighting over the ball. Amanda says, I'll just give up. I won't fight with her.
You need to share. Throw it to her. Throw it to her. Throw it to Amanda. It's no fun to have a ball if you don't play. Here. Then she'll throw it back to you. See?
Honk.
Yeah. Oops, we almost had it. There we go. Now let her get back a little.
Back up, little Amanda.
Back up, little Amanda.
Back up and they'll throw it to you.
Woo! There we go.
Yay, biggie girl.
Thank you. Okay, Amanda, back up a little.
Back up, Pumpkin.
Oops.
Amanda, back up. Hey, Pumpkin. Good girl.
There we go.
Now you back.
Back up.
Now you back up, Amanda.
I'll throw it to you. Back up a little. Whee! That's a big ball. Yeah, that's it. Hold on to it.
Daddy went outside. There he comes. Careful. Not too hard.